you ever been so high? Have 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 you ever been so high? That you can't look at yourself straight.
In this video, we have been now for like 4 months, maybe even 5 months, with no dirt bike, nothing fun to do, just working some bullshit ass job, right? So in today's video, that's all gonna fucking change. I also haven't posted in 1 month, so this shit needs to be a banger. Today the Colorado Avalanche are playing, and I got paid a shitty ass check. So I'm gonna take that check and put the whole entire check on the Colorado Avalanche game tonight. Let's fucking go. Let's get into this video. After this shit hits and we fucking bang and double our check, they're playing the Dallas Stars, so it's actually good odds. It's gonna be pretty decent payout. I would say we're gonna get like, we'll probably turn 1,000 to somewhere like 1,600, and then we'll take the 1,600 and we'll buy an old 2-stroke with it, and we'll fix it up, and then we'll turn it to $5 grand, and then we'll have a sick ass dirt bike the whole time and in the process. And we're gonna do all of that in one day. Let's go, boy. I'm getting a little bit nervous now, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, we brought the feline with us for war. We also wore the boots and everything. We're really locked in, alright? We're really locked in. Alright. We got the cash. I'm fucking nervous, bro, but you know what? Fuck, dog. Break the
Weather alert. High wind warning in about 10 miles from current location.
Break the loop or the pattern repeats tomorrow. Break the loop or the pattern repeats tomorrow. That's all I got to say. We're gonna go place the bet. The game starts at 12 p.m. So around then, we're gonna look for maybe like a sports bar or some place and ask them if they could put on the game, bro. And then we're gonna watch that shit and drink a beer and fucking sweat. So before we place this bet, the game starts in 15 minutes. Gotta smoke a little tropical. And sip up a liquid courage. Come on, bring the camera. Colorado. So the way this works on Robinhood basically is I buy the contract for 53 cents. If they win, it'll go to 99 cents. So to put 1,000 con, perfect. 17. The payout would be 1,750. I'm betting 962. Alright, mother truckers. Next up, we're going to a bar called Legends. Cause this. I'm not gonna lie, this is the craziest moment of my life, bro. I'm stressing, man. We're in a fucking sweater, G. Fucking first quarter just ended. Alright guys, we just fucking hit that shit. I can't even believe it. I honestly can't even believe it. $1,700. We're gonna go buy a fucking CR250 right now. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm trying to buy this shit today. I know a guy who has a CR250. I'm gonna buy that shit today. I don't even care. We just turned 1,000 to 1,800, almost 2 grand. We have our beautiful girlfriend here filming the video, and we're ready to just live it up. We're gonna go buy a dirt bike and then probably go to dirt biking tomorrow and quit our job. Ah, damn, just look at that shit, y'all. Fucking fire, way to wake up, I swear to God. Starting off the morning fresh. Bucko took a shit. Yeah, cover that stank up, homeboy. But we're gonna watch the sunrise. Look at this absolute exquisite view, guys. This is by the first apartment we used to live at, so I like to come out here in the mornings. Finally got my girl to wake up and come out here. About to watch the sunrise, and then we'll kick into the rest of the video. Alright, boom. So 1 week passed since I hit that fire bet, and right after I hit that bet, as we're going home from the bar, I'm faded, I'm having a good time, but anyways, I got sick, bro, like super sick. I was throwing up my soul it's 1 week later, so I threw up for like 6 days straight. Today's day 7 and I'm feeling better. And anyways, fucking long story short, we got the money out. This is from the bet. Big boy Benzo for the bet. Big boy Benzo for the bet. Crazy that we just made all that shit from the bet. So we turned basically the 1,000 into, we're at like 1,850, almost 1,900. And now, with this money, we are going to go buy this dirt bike, y'all. This was the whole plan, right? To flip the money into the dirt bike. So the guy was willing to hold it for me. We're flipping a 2000 CR250 from, he had it up for 25, but I got him to $1,400, guys. So $1,400, we're gonna go pick this bike up. We're gonna make the next video restoring it and then flipping the bike, and it'll be a whole flip series. But this is just the ending to the first video, and let's go get this bike. We're actually gonna pick it up in the fin right here. I hooked up like one of those trailer hitches to the SUV, so it's a little bit sketch. I've only used the truck to carry a dirt bike. I never carried it on a little SUV, so I'm a little sketched out. But let's go grab the bike, and yeah. Oh, before that though, we're gonna stop at a farm, and we're gonna go buy a bunch of like fresh ass meats, fresh ass vegetables, fresh ass earth foods from the earth, homie. Cause yeah, after being sick and fucked up, like I'm locking in. So we're gonna go hit a farm in the fucking Orange County, California. Real fresh ass food, no cap. And then we're gonna get the bike. And I got a backpack cooler, so I'm gonna be throwing my food in the backpack cooler. Let's get it, boy. I'm hyped up.
We were wild dogs, wild dogs, wild dogs.
Alright, there it is, guys. We just got it. We're all set. The sketchiest fucking load up rig ever, but this is how we're getting Betsy home. This is the guy we bought it from. Appreciate you, sir. And yeah, we're gonna show the update to him and show him everything after the build. He's a super cool guy. Okay, so I just went through everything, and I ended up getting the bike for $1,200. Put that right there, $1,200 for the bike.
So I'm now spending $485 on basic necessities, parts, carburetor, all that shit. This is for the plastics kit right here. So we are at $160, taxes and everything, plus $485, taxes and everything. $645, right? $650 plus $1,200. We are at $1,850. So we're exactly what we made with the bet into this bike now. So we made the $1,000 bet, pulled it to $1,850. Now in the same day, 1 week later, we've dropped the $1,850 into the bike after we just copped it. So let's see what we can do with that. To be honest, I'm probably gonna have to put a little bit more money into the bike, but right now this is it. It's spot on, and this is all I need. So let's see what we can do with this and how far we can get with this.